Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix your account has been locked. So if you put your username and password here and try to log in and you see this kind of error, then I will tell you how you can fix that error. First of all, what you have to do is you have to close down that and you have to open any kind of browser, which may be Chrome. Here what you have to do is you have to open a new tab and you have to search for Snapchat Sport. As you can see here, I will click Snapchat Sport. After clicking on Snapchat Sport, I will open that. In Snapchat Sport, what you have to do is you have to click on Contact Us. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on I can't access my account. After that, what you have to click is you have to click on my account is logged. After that, they will tell you what are the reasons behind your locking off your Instagram account. You have used any third-party application to sign into your Snapchat account, or you have violated any kind of community guidelines. So without wasting our time, let's go to the solution. For the solution, you have to click on here. As you can see, if you click on here, then a login page will appear to you, and here you have to put your username and password. After putting my username and password, we will be right back. I have put my username and password here, so here we will click on verify to verify my account while solving the puzzle. Here you have to solve the puzzle as quick as possible. Here you can see I have solving the puzzle, so you have to solve the puzzle quickly so that you can easily verify to your account. Here you can click on login and your account will be login after a few times. Hope you have liked this video. As you can see, my account has been reactivated. If you have liked this video, kindly subscribe our channel.